press conference organized किया उसके बारे में. There's a national law that was passed in 1995 called Persons with Disability Act. It was amended again 2016 में. It's a national law that guarantees rights to people with disabilities. For example, minimum 5% reservation education institutions में, minimum 4% reservations government jobs में, and also like every state has to have a commissioner for people with disability who handles all the cases related to the violation of the rights of persons with disability. So हमारे यहाँ पे there's no permanent commissioner with all the rights that is necessary to implement the rights of persons with disability. यहाँ पे awareness भी नहीं है. There's hardly any awareness about the rights of persons with disability. So we wanted to organize a press conference to request the government to make more efforts to raise awareness about the rights of persons with disabilities, to implement the provisions of rights of persons with disabilities, and also to ask political parties to make sure that the voting interests of the disabled voters are implemented, like the rights of persons with disabilities, and also request student unions like APSU and ANSU to implement, to force or to request educational institutions and to make efforts to implement the rights of students with disabilities. It's mainly about raising awareness about rights of persons with disability, because people with disability have so many problems, because of the cultural stigma, social stigma, cultural stereotypes. So rights allow them to get some kind of opportunity to participate in society. So it's got awareness नहीं है. People with disabilities have no idea. Organizations really don't make efforts to promote. So we wanted to take the help of media to raise awareness about the rights of persons with disability and request all the parties, organizations, student unions to implement it, to make the life of people with disabilities easier in our state. So that was the summary of the press conference we organized today.